smile play a big part in why I want you. For your love, it ain't no telling what I want to do. Yeah, you bad, I guess that's why they hating on you.
So hey you guys, hey Jam Squad, I am back with another video. In this video is going to be in this hair that you guys see me rocking. And basically I'm gonna just show y'all how I style this hair, because this is some natural wave hair, so yeah, it's not much to it. And I didn't show y'all how I make my frontal because I'm not good at frontals. So when I master it completely, I'll be happy to make y'all a video on it. But as of right now, I haven't mastered them, so I just gotta do what it do. But I slept in this hair, so as you can see, I put the hair in twist. I put the hair in twist. And before we get into it, I'm gonna tell y'all what hair this is. This is the Peruvian natural wave in the inches 22, 24, and 24 with a 20-inch frontal. So yeah, that's what this is. And yeah, and y'all, with the hair, I got this cute little thing. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a bracelet or something, but it comes with a little light. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. It's a little Christmas thing. And also, this hair company is having a Christmas sale, so make sure y'all go check that out. Just a little thing you came with. And the little light, it's not sewed up all that well, so it fell off. But it's still cute though. Look how cute it is. You know, you can put it, you're supposed to put it, I guess you're supposed to put it around your arm. Yeah. And then the light changes. It could go fast or it could go really slow. See, it's going slow now. But yeah, I just thought that was so cute. The little light keep falling on the thing. And excuse me if it looks smoky in here. I got an incense plugged up. But yeah, we're gonna get into this and show you how I style this hair and everything. So here we go. So we're gonna take this out, and this is gonna be a talk through. So I'm gonna just talk to you guys while I do this. Y'all see that hair? And this is Peruvian natural wave, y'all. But anyway, how y'all been? I haven't really been uploading on YouTube because I wanted to participate in Vlogmas, but man, nobody was gonna be watching my vlogs. I said views. Nobody was gonna watch my views. Nobody was gonna be watching my little vlog. So I got mad and I just said, forget it. I ain't gonna do it. Period. Y'all ain't gonna appreciate it. I ain't gonna do it. Period. This thing keep moving. Like, I still don't know how to work my camera. This is my hair. Oh, whatever. This is it dry. This is it dry and twisted up. This is it dry and twisted up. And I'm about to show y'all it waves. But we're gonna continue to style this hair. I'm gonna take the hair into separate sections and just wet it and just spray some water on it. I just said that. I'm gonna just spray some water on it and put some foaming lotion on it as well. So yeah, here we go. This hair looks so pretty when it's wet. I like that look, the wet, wavy type of look. About to be soaking wet. I mean, it's about to soak on wet, man. Getting my feet wet. If y'all see water bottles like this at the Dollar Tree or somewhere, do not get one like this, because it makes too much noise. Like, it literally makes noise. Like, it's so loud. And look, I'm combing through it now. And I'm spread a little more. And then spread the top a little bit as well. And then I'm gonna add my foaming lotion. I'm gonna use this one. I normally use Cream of Nature one, but I don't have none of that right now. So gotta make it do what it do. You know? Gotta make it do what it do. Okay. And I'm about to tell y'all something about this here. But I'm gonna save that for the review. I'm gonna save that for the review up there. And it's gonna be a separate video than this. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna do it right after I film this one. Give you my first initial review. I ain't gonna lie, I like the hair, but yeah, I got something to tell y'all about it. Basically, do y'all see it? Y'all see it? I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't know if it's blurred or not, or if it's catching it. I don't know why it always looks blurry to me. I don't know if it really is blurry or what. But this is hair. Ooh. I don't really want to touch my back, so. Okay, yeah, this is the hair, all wet and with product in it. Ooh, it touched me. And y'all, I made this wig myself. I'm very proud of myself because it's really hard for me to make frontal wigs when I don't have like a head that exactly fits mine. So I have to like measure it and you know, measure it and mark it and try to put the frontal down where, you know, it should go. But yeah, y'all, that was, and that's how easy, that's how easy this hair is to style. And this is 3 bundles of the Peruvian natural wave, man. I just did this in less than 2 minutes. So if you want some hair that you could just, you know, style like this and just go, this is the hair for you. This is the hair for you, baby. But yeah, if y'all like this hair, I'll leave everything down below in the description box below. And y'all, I'll leave everything in the description box below, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.
I've been dropping bags on them packs to make that money stack. And I've been trying to run it up so I can turn up on the ass. And you just came inside my life, don't make me put you in the past. People say she make